we got LIFTBOT, and it totally changed the way we build scaffold. My name is Pat Murphy. I work for Marr Scaffolding, and my position is a Labor Foreman. I've been with Marr Scaffolding for 20 years. Right now we are working at the Eliot House, which is a dormitory at Harvard University. The scope of the project was to scaffold to the very top of the clock tower. The clock tower starts at a very wide base off the roof, and then as the clock tower went up, we had to give access to the surface because the workers had to work every inch of it. We probably used LIFTBOT, I would say 7 to 8 different locations. At one time we had 3 or 4 tracks, and we were able to take 2 units, and if we were done in one section, move the unit from one track to a different track without having to spend the time to set the track up. This project had a very tight timeline as well. There were trades behind us that needed to get up onto the roof line, or masons that needed to access the building. LIFTBOT allowed us, by not having to take down the track every single time, by just using strategic locations, we were able to keep building and keep ahead of the other trades. The safety of hoisting material 150 feet in the air cannot be stressed any stronger. The LIFTBOT is hugely advantageous when it comes to personal safety and reducing wear and tear on our bodies so that we can have profitable careers and not get hurt. We typically used pulley and a rope, and we manually pulled the material up to us no matter how high we were. We're easily able to get 7,000 to 8,000 pounds of material lifted every single day, which, if you had to think about how we were doing it manually, pulling it with a rope is pretty amazing. I think the KEWAZO team does a great job. It's really changed the way my company looks at jobs, and it's changed the way I build scaffolding. And I've been doing this for 20 years, and as soon as LIFTBOT came onto the scene, I right away realized that it had huge advantages.